Take command of the road in the 2014 Ford Fusion. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Ford infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, heated seats, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.